This patient had bunion surgery a while ago, and the two big toes are sticking up a little bit and won't touch the ground. So what we're going to do today is make a small poke and lengthen the long tendon in here called the extensor hallucis longus tendon. There won't be any stitches. Patient will wear a bandage for a few days, and there probably won't be any pain associated with it, and it'll look great once we're finished. Nice and tight. Atta girl. We're going to use a 67, and the poke will be vertical, distal to proximal, instead of medial to lateral, and just next to the extensor hallucis longus.
I feel it. Is that normal? Okay.
Relax your foot, let it drop.
Oh. Oh.
And that's pretty straight. That looks good.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, nice and tight. Ankle back.
Nice and tight.
Are they tearing the building apart?
I thought it was his feet.
No, I thought it was his recorder at first.
Relax your foot, let it drop. And it looks like we're done. Do those look straighter to you, Dinus?
Look nice and straight.
So I'm going to do a double check. So all I need you to do is hold your ankles back towards your nose, nice and tight. Okay, relax your feet. Now all I want you to do is hold your toes, not your ankle, back towards your nose. Just your toes. Now hold your toes, just your big toes towards your nose.
It's hard. I don't have any much movement in the. I'm a big baby.
Okay, relax your feet. I'm all done. No more hurting. No more crying.
Oh, please
Oh,
stop it.
please. This should be the worst thing that ever happens to you in life.
So, do you want me to cut it
Small.
now?
I just want the small.
Thank you, doctor.
My pleasure. I want it to be right for you. You know that. That's all that matters to me, is that you're happy and you have beautiful feet. That's all I care about.
You don't have any bones. Okay, hold on. You don't want cling, right? Just Coban?
Just Coban.
Well, you're crying too? Oh. Oh, God.
Oh, God. What is this?
It's too tight.
Is this a soap opera today? Like, what's going on?
Crap, what the hell, girls?
What the heck is going on in this?
I don't know what to say. That time of the month, I can get really emotional at times.
Oh, no, she's crying too.
Oh my God.